Okay, welcome to version B of our one-step algebra equations, the addition subtraction method, okay? I'm going to go a little quicker since this is version B. If you haven't done version A, take a look at that. It's a little bit easier than these. And if you haven't watched the video, please do so. I think it'll really help you. I'm going to do these fairly quickly since it's the second one that I've done. So please watch and I'll explain as I go. On this one, I'm going to go kind of like this, because the ones on the right have the variable on the other side, and we just want you to not freak out about that. It's not that big of a deal, and I'll show you why in just a moment as I get my pen ready. And here we go. And there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go minus 8, minus 8. We've done these in the version A. Die x equals 13 minus 8 is 5. Now let's go over here to number 11. What do you move? Remember, you want letters on one side, numbers on the other. It doesn't have to be left. It doesn't have to be right. Your initial thought might be to go minus 9, minus 9. That's wrong, and let me show you why. If I do that, well, what happens? He's gone. I get 0 equals x minus 7. Well, that didn't really help me. That didn't do anything, so I don't want to do that. What I want to do is I want to get letters on one side and numbers on the other. Well, that's simple enough. This is going to be the letter side, and this will be the number side. Sorry about that. And this will be the letter side. So I'm going to go minus 2, and this is just going to turn out to be 7 equals x. You don't need to switch them around. That's a good enough answer right there. Go on to number 2. We're going to go plus 6, boom, they're gone. X equals 11. Over here, I'm going to move the 6. Because moving the 6 is what's going to allow me to get letters on one side, numbers on the other, and that's how I get my answer. Over here, I'm going to move the 12. I'm going to end up with that double negative sign. Sorry for these squigglies, it's a little hard to write on a screen for me. Okay, negative 16. Got to get an equal sign in there. There we go. Okay, now the one over here, number 13, we want to move, who do we want to move, 14 or 7? We want to move the 7 because we're trying to get the x all by himself. And that'll do it. And I'm going to get 7 equals x, okay? Let's keep going. Now, if you want to write x equals 7 because you just feel better seeing it on the left, that's fine, but you don't need to. Plus 9, boom, die, x equals 7 plus 9 is 16. Going over here to number 14, I'm going to move the 8 so I can get the x all by himself. Boom, gone, and I'm going to get 5. Signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the larger number. And I get the x. Let's keep going. Let's go minus 3. Boom, because that gets the x all by himself. Add a line, change the sign, negative 14. Going on to number 15, I'm going to subtract the 9 to both sides. That's going to get my x all by himself. Oops, add a line, change the sign. Oh, now I can see signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. And my x is all by himself. Let's keep going to number 6 here. Plus 15. There we go. They die. X equals 2 plus 15 is 17. Going over here to number 16, I need to move the 4, not the 12. I want to move the 4 because I want to get the x all by himself. Signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number, equals x. Minus 10, boom, die, x equals negative 9. If I'm doing this a little too quick for you, you can always stop and do a few yourself. But I want you to start feeling this comfortable doing the problems and write them out. If you do them in your head, honestly, I think they take longer. But just by doing this isn't really taking me much time at all, is it? I'm breezing right through this. Okay, so here I'm going to add my 3 to both sides. I'm going to get my x by himself. Negative 4 equals x. I have a whole series on adding, subtracting negative numbers. So if you didn't do that and you just jumped right to here, go to those because I have a pattern, little sayings you say, and it's going to help you to really get your adding and subtracting of negative numbers done super quick. Okay? All right, we're getting down here to the very end. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Boom, die. X equals, signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number, which is positive. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. Boom, boom, die. And I'm going to get 8 equals x. And here we go. Now you have an answer key. If you want to just screenshot and compare it to yours, see how you did. If you missed some, go back, see how I did them, and watch me go through it, and hopefully it helped. Version C is very similar to version B. If you feel like you got it, just go on to the next section. If you're still struggling and you want some more practice, please go on to version C. Take care, guys.